Well, as you can tell from that little clip from where we left off the last video, there was a noise that it shouldn't have made. Nice loud tick tick track. And when it made that noise, I had to clutch in after good half throttle, 3/4 throttle pulls on fresh oil, mind you. I had to pull the clutch in. She locked up on me. Not sure what happened yet, but solid. Sitting here the last few days. Now there's a puddle underneath it. Sight glass looks dirty. Find my light. There's a little moisture in there. A little moisture in there. Looks like... God, I wish this would work better. Right inside there between the head and the cylinder, some antifreeze seepage. See it right there. Oh, you can see it back in there too. See all of it down here. That oil does not look clean. But it's a little murky. So, what I'm gonna do is first I gotta clean up the mess, puddle. I'm gonna drain the oil out of it because obviously it's no good anymore. Once I get the oil drained, I'll show you what the oil looks like. Before anything, though, for a peace of mind for me, I know I didn't do this wrong. Now, this hasn't been off since I put the filter in. Oh, come on. I couldn't have. It only goes in one way. That's... Nope. It was on right. So, anybody wants to talk shit about the oil filter being in wrong? It wasn't. Spring's still in there. It's a little murky, but who knows? That's it. I'm gonna drain this oil. We'll see what the oil looks like, and I'm going to start taking all the plastics off. Tonight, we'll probably just get the valve cover done. I'll just get the plastics, the seat, the plastics, the tank, the valve cover off to check the timing chain. So I'm going to clean up this mess, drop the oil, and we'll pick up when we're about to take the valve cover off. Hey everyone, so that's the oil that came out of it. That's 6 miles, half hour maybe. So obviously front's undressed. Pop the spark plug out quick, see if there's any damage to the plug. No damage. Looks okay, I guess. Maybe lean? Oh, is that 10 millimeter? Alright, so this has not been popped off. That's probably too loud. Hold on. So the valve cover has not been off yet. Now, in my first video with the bike, well, second video, I can't remember. I did put a timing chain tensioner in it. Right there. So I have been in this valve cover before. Who knows? Maybe I screwed something up. Alright. Before I take that off, so it was rebuilt. Like I said, Athena big bore, or Athena stock bore cylinder and piston. Del West valves. Zach, the guy I got it from, I think he's the one that put it back together. I'm not throwing shade at anybody. So if Zach, if you watch my video, this is not on you. He told me, I told him what happened. And he's like, maybe the timing chain. So that's where we're going. So with that said, well, timing chain's still there. Still nice and tight. Well, guys, I think she got hot. I can see the pistons at top dead. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It looks like some etching right here. All right, well, that's checked. Now what do I do? I guess the only thing to do now is keep going. Hopefully it just got hot. I don't know. What time is it? 4:39. Still have a little bit of time. Yes. Hold on. I will show you. $4:39. You guys will have to trust me. I don't even know how to take the top end of this thing apart. Obviously, we have two head bolts here. Guessing there's gonna be two more in here, so I'm gonna have to take the cams out, obviously. Those come undone. This comes off the jug. Timing tensioner out. Carb off. Well, I guess I'm here. Got time. I'm gonna start digging into it, see if I can get this top end off. Well, it is officially 5:14 in the morning. We got the sun coming up, and that escalated quickly. We got the whole rear subframe off, all the exhaust, carb. Yeah. So, while I have you guys, I'm gonna set you up. I have not cracked the head open yet. So we're going to do that together. Whether you guys like it or not. I know I'm quiet. I don't know what to say in times like this. I'm usually always alone doing this, so I never have to monologue anything. Not that anybody's made it this far into the video anyways, but... Oh, shit. All right. All right, head's free. You guys are gonna see what I see. Huh. Something broke. What is that? Oh, fuck. Forgot about those. It was just one. Uh-oh. Where did you come from? I'll take these caps out. Well, the valves are 8. Where'd that piece go? Where's the other? Oh, I know what that is. That's valve guide. Did it drop a valve? Had to have. Yep. Look at that. Well, she's not going back for quite a while. She dropped a valve, guys. That plate's broke. I have a tool for that. Hold, please. Alright, so I didn't have a tool. Well, I do, but it's not the right one. But this was broke anyways, so I just pried it out. So there's a spring, one spring. Spring looks alright. See Other spring. Here's the guide keeper. Just toss that in there. Where'd the other one go? Sorry about it. I mean, it's bent, but not bad. I mean, unusable, but... Yep, right there. Yep. So, right in there is where'd those pieces go? That's where these go. So the head's fucked. That's too fucking much money. So with that off, set you guys right there haphazardly. Let's see if it's seized. See how bad the cylinder is. Oh. Get you guys a better view. I'm just flopping you guys everywhere. God damn it. This camera's so fucking heavy. Oh. They're not seized, so maybe the bottom end's good. So, piston doesn't move. Let me get it to the bottom. Dry all this out. You know what, guys? I think the valve just failed. Where's my flashlight? I got everything everywhere. Oh, and this video is gonna be long as fuck. Let me find my flashlight. Alright, we're back. Oh, you guys aren't gonna see it. See those lines? That's cross hatching. I think the cylinder's good. Cylinder and piston are good. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Head's fucked. Okay, don't listen to that guy. He hadn't done any research yet. The head may not be too fucked. When I got home after filming the video, I was looking for parts, and the valve guides are replaceable. Instead of $900 on a whole head, they're like $34. So, we're going to go that route. We're going to try to anyways. But the bike's getting put off to the side. Truck content. I have to get it going. I need a truck. And the truck takes more of a priority than the dirt bike. So, the next video will be cleaning the storage unit. No, not cleaning. I'm not going to show you that. Doing the valve, the head. Doing the valve seals on the head for the truck. So, that's the end of the video. Thanks, guys, for everyone for watching. Anybody who comments, appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.